students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given that consider this data collected from a survey of a colony. First is that draw a double bar graph choosing an appropriate scale. What do you infer from this bar graph? Firstly, we have to draw the bar graph. Here we are given the sports, favorite sports, which are cricket, basketball, swimming, hockey, and athletic. First is that from the point of view of watching, those who are watching, and from the point of view of participants. So we are going to draw the bar graph here. Firstly, we have to determine the scale. So from here, we can say that the number of population is from 105 to 1 to 40. So we are going to prepare a bar graph from 0 to 1300 with a gap of 100. So our bar graph from here must be like this one. 0 to 1300 with a gap of 100. So here x-axis is representing the favorite sport and y-axis is representing the number of the people. So here we are going to draw the bar graph with the red and the blue line. So here basically 1 unit length is equals to the 100 people and red is representing the those who are watching, and let's say green is representing those who are participating. So green is representing the participating and red is representing the those who are watching. So here we are going to use the table. Firstly, let's draw the graph. This is 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100, 1200 and 1300. Now for those who are watching, firstly we have sports, like here we have cricket, here we have basketball, here we have swimming, here we have hockey, and here we have athletes. So first is for cricket they are watching 1240, so 1240 must be there. So this is for the cricket, that is 1240. Basketball they have 470, so 470 must be there. For basketball it's 470. For swimming it's 510. 510 must be here somewhere. This is 510. For hockey it's 430. So 430 must be here somewhere. So 430 for hockey, and for athletes it's 250. 250 is here in middle of 200 and 300. Now we are considering for the those who are watching. Sorry, those who are participating. So there are 620 who are participating in the cricket. So 620 must be there. There are 320 who are participating in the basketball. 320 must be there. There are 320 again who are participating in the swimming, and there are 250 who are participating in the hockey. So 250 must be there, and there are 105 who are participating in athletes. So this is our bar graph. Now in the first part, we have to draw the double bar graph. We just drawed. So this is the answer to the part 2. Next is which sport is most popular. So this is the answer to the part 1. Next is part 2, which sport is more popular. So from here it is clearly visible that cricket is most popular among the watchers as well as for the participants. So the answer to the part 2 is cricket. Next is part 3. Part 3 is that which is prefer most watching or participate, which is most preferred watching or participating in sports. So here as you can look here in almost every game people prefer to watch as compared to participate. So we can say that the answer to the part 3 is watching. So this is the answer to the given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, use the basic concept of data handling. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget, to like and subscribe.